actress Dakore Egbuson in a new video reacts to the allegation making the rounds that she is a side chick to Senate President Akpabio. A controversial faceless blogger, Gist Lover, said that Dakore Egbuson, Eni Edo, Hilda Bauchi, Nancy Izim, and some other women are side chicks to Akpabio. Taking to her official Instagram page, July 22, 2024, actress Dakore Egbuson debunked the allegation of being a side chick to the Senate president, stressing that she has never met him, talkless of being in a room together with him. Actress Dakore Egbuson, while responding to the allegation, said that she is presently on vacation with her family in the United States, noting that she has 2 children and she is happily married. Tagging Gist Lover as a useless and jobless blogger, Dakore utters that she is ready for any legal action as the blogger messed with the wrong person. Maintaining her stand, Dakore Egbuson said that if anyone have a video or audio of her together with Akpabio, they should produce, as she is ready to give them the sum of N5M. Sharing the video, Dakore Egbuson wrote, "Disclaimer: usually I don't do this, but at gistloverblog.media outlet avoid me remove my picture right now and provide an apology to me directly on your page, or be ready for legal action. A word is enough for the wise." Number Dakoreans. Dakore Egbuson-Akande, born Dakore Omobola Egbuson, October 14, 1978, is a Nigerian actress. She is an ambassador for Amnesty International, Amstel Malta and Oxfam of America. Dakore was born in Bayelsa State as the first child of her parents. She attended Corona School and Federal Government Girls' College in Lagos and Bauchi respectively. She studied mass communication at the University of Lagos but had to drop out due to incessant strikes. She is currently married with 2 children. In September 2019, Dakore appeared as a main feature in the visual collaborative electronic catalogue, in an issue themed Vivencias, which translates to experiences in Spanish. She was interviewed alongside 30 people from around the world such as Kelli Ali, Adelaide, Damoah, and Desdamona. In May 2020, Dakore's interview on the same visual collaborative platform republished in a series titled 2084, which was released during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic. French music duo Les Nubians, Japanese music composer Rika Muranaka and Nigerian comedian Chigul appeared in the same volume.